Could the future of mining be submerged beneath the ocean's surface? And if so, what will be the role of artificial intelligence in this underwater venture? These are questions stirring in the minds of many as we delve into recent developments and controversies in the realm of underwater robotics and ocean mining. In the race for sustainable resources, the ocean floor has emerged as a potential goldmine. Companies like Impossible Mining are turning to the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, seeking valuable metals like nickel, cobalt, copper, and lithium, essential for the production of electric vehicle batteries. But this ambitious endeavor is not without its challenges and controversies. Renee Grogan, co-founder and chief sustainability officer of Impossible Mining, is at the forefront of this oceanic exploration. She is advocating for responsible battery mineral mining while raising awareness about the environmental impact of mining practices both on land and at sea. Grogan, who is pushing against the current of her industry, is developing marine robots and new technologies in metal refining to minimize environmental impact. One such innovation is Eureka, an underwater robot equipped with artificial intelligence. Eureka is designed to collect rocks containing valuable metals without causing undue harm to the marine ecosystem. The ultimate vision is to dispatch a fleet of these underwater vehicles, capable of diving 4 miles beneath the ocean's surface. However, the idea of ocean mining has sparked a wave of concern among environmentalists and marine biologists. They caution that deep-sea mining could devastate marine habitats and disperse toxic sediment. There are also doubts about the feasibility of a precise method of mining that limits environmental damage. Despite the outcry, Impossible Metals is optimistic about the future, expecting to deploy this technology on a commercial scale within 5 years. But the question remains, will the potential rewards outweigh the environmental risks? In the face of these concerns, Grogan is not backing down. She is challenging the mining industry to improve its practices and has launched the Better EV initiative to push for an independent standards body. She believes that consumer pressure and a consumer-facing standards label can encourage mining companies to adopt more responsible practices. However, not everyone agrees with this approach. The metals company argues that a public-facing label is unnecessary, as the International Seabed Authority is already establishing an undersea mining code. So, as we look to the future, the debate rages on. Will the depths of our oceans become the next frontier for mining? And can artificial intelligence, in the form of underwater robots, lead the way without causing irreparable harm to our marine ecosystems? To summarize, the future of mining could well be hidden beneath the waves, with AI robots playing a crucial role. However, the environmental implications of such ventures and the controversy surrounding the methods employed ensure that this is a topic that will continue to make waves in the years to come.